celebrating brother's birthday today. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Woo! Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Come on, Sam, let's dance. Come on, Bubsy, let's go. Woohoo! Come on. Yep, today's the 1st of March. 1st of March. Woo! 3rd day of the year already. 3rd month. 3rd month of the year already. Come on, Sam, let's go. Come on, dance, Sam. Come on. Come on, Sam. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Just close the washroom door. Oh, we're brilliant. Come on. What a day. Start celebrating, eh? Here, Bubsy's coming out to join us. Come on, Bubsy. Woo! Come on, Sam. Come here. Come on. Yeah.
Alrighty.
How young are you today, brother?
58.
Woo! 58. David moved over to Australia when he turned 30.
28 years ago.
28 years ago. Woo!
And I haven't been back.
And he hasn't been. Birthday to ya.
Never looked back.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Here, we're all sharing the birthday. Happy doesn't want to dance. Savia does. Sam's dancing in the cage. Doesn't want to come out yet. We're all celebrating. Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
This is a long version.
Hey, come on, we got time. We're not going. Yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. Come out. The cage is open. Come out and dance. Birthday. Look at Bubsy. Come on, Bubsy, dance. Here we are all celebrating. Our pets. Yeah, Puppy's not interested in dancing.
Oh, puppy.
And that is our birthday for our special brother and uncle for today. We'd like to wish you all a great day today. And we know that we're going to be celebrating. What would you like to say, brother?
I just want to say thank you, everyone, for being here with me today and the whole weekend.
Yes, celebrating. What about you, Nene?
Happy birthday, Uncle! Have a good day, everyone.
Yeah.
And I know that David's going to be celebrating all weekend because tonight we're going out for dinner. Tomorrow he's going for breakfast. Where's the place tomorrow for breakfast?
Santini's, 8 a.m. in the city.
In the city. Anybody would like to join us, you're welcome. And Sam celebrating himself. Thank you, guys. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Yeah, happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday.
58.
Happy birthday, bro.
Thank you.
special. Happy birthday.